Driving in heavy traffic. You're on your way home after a long, stressful day at work. When you see the dreaded red of blazing brake lights, you are already starving and simply want to see your family, pet your dog, and unwind on the couch. Of course, there is a backup in traffic. Driving in traffic is one of the few things in life that may immediately raise your blood pressure. We have previously spoken about how frustrating driving in traffic can be. Although it's obvious that slogging through traffic on the highway is a frustrating experience, we hope that these pointers on what to look out for will make it a bit less so. Planning your route. First things first, always plan your trip before you start your car. Although it's alluring to believe that your GPS can handle everything, lane changes might sometimes take longer in congested areas. Knowing your exits rather than relying just on your GPS directions can assist you ensure that you have enough time to reach your exit. Additionally, planning your route ahead of time can assist you in selecting a route where traffic is moving more smoothly or in avoiding a region where there is abnormally heavy traffic as a result of an accident. Never ever touch that phone. Some people believe that moving slowly gives them a good opportunity to check their phones. The CDC estimates that approximately 3,000 people each year are killed in crashes involving distracted drivers, therefore it is never a smart idea to take your eyes off the road. In heavy traffic, cars can suddenly change their speeds, and emergency vehicles might suddenly need to pass you. When it comes down to it, there are a lot of other drivers on the road, so driving while distracted puts both you and other drivers in danger. Even though you could be bored, you never know when something unexpected will occur. To keep safe outside, you must pay attention. Do bring a kit for emergencies. Sadly, there are occasions when traffic congestion lasts for an extremely long time. A short wait might be made uncomfortable or unbearable by having some emergency supplies in your car. Keeping the following extra items in your car is a good idea. Additional phone charger, blanket, water and food, medication, jumper cables, flashlight. Don't follow vehicles closely. You're anxious and eager to get home, but tailgating the car in front of you won't get you there any quicker. The slow-moving traffic can tempt drivers to follow one another more closely and enable themselves to become preoccupied by fiddling with their phones or radios. This causes abrupt and sudden braking, which is not where you want to be. It's crucial to pay attention and develop safe driving practices whenever you're on the road, but it's crucial in traffic. Even though it's a boring experience, waiting in a hospital is much worse. Remember that getting somewhere safely is more important than getting there quickly.